Hello friends, today I am going to explain you how to replace your ink toner or cartridge of Samsung M2020 printer, laser printer. First of all, carefully remove your previous toner, damaged toner cartridge. Now you can carefully remove its chip because it is very important. Some compatible toners or cartridge sometimes not working with original printer, therefore it is very helpful. Sometimes compatibles are working well, but sometimes rarely chip need to change. You can remove a new cartridge. You can unbox it just like this. It is very simple. You can cut your polybag carefully. You can see covered back. You can remove it just like this. Now you can see new toner. You can remove chip just like this, but this is not essential step. You can remove and replace chip if compatible cartridge not detected from your printer. You can do it just like this. It is very simple, but sometimes you have question. You can't mount this type cartridge or toner because it has small techniques, because it has some small cover. Most people never think just like this. Don't pull and press, it may be damage to your printer. You can remove this cover just like this. It is very simple. Now you can insert your printer cartridge or toner just like this. Okay, now you can power on your cartridge, sorry, the printer. You can do it just like this. Now you can start printing. Before printing, you can remove input door just like this. You can do it. You can input some papers to your input tray just like this. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new updates. Thanks.